Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring UNice hair. Big thank you to UNice for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into this look. So today I have a 20-inch side part feathered layered look going on. This is a pretty everything wig. This is an upgraded cap. So there is a drawstring in the nape area, which I do show you how to use. The traditional straps that come inside of the wig. So instead of starting just here in the nape, they come up a little higher so that can adjust to fit different head shapes. Also, this has the silicone grip all around the inside. So this is a no slip. This install is also completely glueless. So with the cap, they make it so that you can wear your wig completely glueless. I literally used no spray, adhesive, glue, nothing. This is a completely glueless install. I'm gonna show you how to restyle this. Although this does come pre-styled and everything is done for you, of course I always tweak it. This wig comes with no baby hairs at all. And I did show you that you can throw this up in a claw clip. This is the perfect cut. This is 20 inches. I typically like longer wigs, but I think for this style, 20 is perfect. So if you want to check out the links, everything will be down in the description box down below. I will also try to include timestamps, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.